Okay, working on this site now, and I've been adding links to other sites. Very basic stuff for me. But what if someone doesn't know? So we're taking a look at HTML links. Done this sort of thing many times. Building a site up, and at the bottom near the footer, contact page with social media icons which would link to other sites. That one's already done. The GitHub one I think I've just done. I'm going to check the source code now, and this one needs to be done. So they're absolute links. They're links away from this site to other sites that will open up in the browser. So let's look at the source code. So here it is there. A anchor href to GitHub. That class is to do with the Bootstrap framework that I'm using, iClass. That goes to the CSS sheet that's linked to already made icons. What you need to know is this, the href. So as you can see, that's within the anchor tag. It's inside that closing, I forgot what they're called, the closing tag. It's not actually in the middle like you get in a paragraph tag. I'll show you, don't have one here, or a h3 tag. H3 tag here, the text is inside. Okay, got your opening h3 tag, a closing. The href, the link, is actually inside the opening tag as opposed to in between the opening and the closing. So I've got one there. So whatever's in between is anchor to href. That's the relationship of the link, hypertext transfer protocol, security, colon, // github.com, and then another slash, which means the page, which will be the exact file. So it's a subdomain. So that's the domain, that's the subdomain. Again here, inside the anchor tag is href equals and what it is. So inside the commas, hypertext transfer protocol, security, YouTube, that's the domain, that's the file, and then the exact page is after the next slash. That's what the slash is for, the exact page, which is the file within that. So that's the subdomain. So I've got to do one more. Is it? Here. So I've got to get. So this is a better way of showing you. I copied and pasted that, so that's why it still has the YouTube link. So this is a good way of showing you. So that's the closing anchor tag. The opening anchor tag has already got this inside. Href equals and a pair of commas. So it's going to go inside that. So I've got to go and get it. It's not up, I've got to search for it. There's a link here on GitHub page. There's a link there. So I'm going to press on that. That's a pop ad. And there it is. I click, it covers everything. I right click, copy. I'm going to go back to my source code and go back to the opening anchor tag. An opening anchor tag is just the A like this. A. But I'm inside it, so there's the href is already there. Equals. So in here, inside, I'm going to now paste. And I've pasted all of that. Hypertext Transfer Protocol S, / damienfallon.blogspot.com. There's a slash there in case there was another page, another file, but there isn't. So you can always delete that if you want. So file, save, which I have deleted away there, you see. So I've saved that. So I'm now going to go back to the site I'm working on, which is previewing in the browser. I'm going to press the refresh button. And that loaded, and it's here. So that one would go to GitHub, YouTube, and let me see if this is working. A test. Clicked on it. So that goes to the site. Very basic HTML there.